Go ahead.
Awesome. I didn't think baby birds were that stupid. You know what? Maybe they're having a heat stroke or something. You hit that thing perfectly in the head. Come on, Niles, get it.
Miles, come on, eat the head.
Man, he's chewing that thing up.
I know. He ain't gonna give up though. It's hot as hell out here. The hotter it is, the more active they are.
It still had a heartbeat.
Yeah. It's dead now. He crushed the skull.
Oh yeah, easily. Well, you get full for a week. That fucking thing would eat my dog, dude.
Alright. There you go. God damn, what the hell's wrong with his...
Sounds like he's running regular gas in it.
Yeah.
Come on, Niles, go play with your food.
Yo, Miles is a beast, dude. Feeding response. Feeding response.
See my fucking toe moving or something.
Oh, snap. What was that? Second bird.
Good
He's
job,
full.
buddy.
He's full for the week.
Oh, don't come near my fucking toes.
Say thank you. You can't say thank you.